You're not going to be famous for this?
No.
Yeah. So you have $100 million.
Hi guys, I'm Keely, and today I'm going to show you my litter puppies. I know you'll probably already see the intro, but now the mother is
Right over there, taking a drink.
and now these are her puppies. Oh yeah, work it. Oh, where are we taking some pictures?
Hey, Junior.
Oh yeah, work it, y'all. Work
Blaze Junior.
be coming out here, walking in my seats. Next.
Come on, Blaze Junior.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
work.
get a picture of this
Wait.
sleepy one.
Work
Right here.
it, puppy, work it. Oh
that one right
yeah, work it. Go into that cave now, girl.
Get that one.
No, wait. Work it, girl, work it. Come on. Next up.
Ooh, he mad at you.
Oh yeah, work it. Stylish puppy. Yeah, walk across that stage, that girl. Will you be going to bed? Okay. Next up.
Hey, get that one on the wall. You're gonna snap it.
Oh yeah, work it. You can go back on stage. Okay, there you go. Work it. Work it. Yeah, snicker. Work it. Oh yeah. Next component. Work it.
Finally go by chamber.
Are you gonna yawn? You gonna yawn? Yeah.
Don't say you weren't. What?
You doing good, girl.
Oh, Blaze is asleep. Blaze Junior, right here.